Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to settings and enter security. Go to screen lock, confirm, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, PIN and password. Firstly, let's select none. Now let's select swipe. Now PIN. Next, pattern. And in the end, password. Once it's done, we can go to Fingerprint. And now we have to simply scan our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located at the bottom of the screen. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now you can unlock your phone via fingerprint. In the end, you can go to face unlock. And now you have to simply scan your face in this area. Unfortunately, I can't scan my face because of some malfunction, but basically, you just place your face right here. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.